Hi there guys, welcome to our new slime video. In this video, we will go over Buttercloud Silky Buttery Compound Super Stretchy, Peeps, Hello Kitty and Friends, So Sweet Lemonade Stand, and last but not least, Slimy Gloop, Lemonade, Lavender, Cinnatron. Hashtag Celsius Partner. Okay guys, here we are with the Logan and Mare slime video. Today we have 4 special slimes. We're gonna start off with, actually, what do you want to start off with?
I really want to try this one. It's a little keychain.
Nice. Trigger warning. That's nice ASMR. For uninitiated, it's very lavendery.
This is really satisfying. This is not stretchy at all. And it's... burp. Right?
Wait, hold on. I'm gonna do the classic test. Back out a little bit. Oh, it doesn't really squish very well.
Yeah.
I'm not a very big fan of this one. This is Lemonade Stand.
And it has some cute characters on it.
Cute. Oh, I ruined it. I'm so sorry, I ruined it.
Oh my gosh.
This one, no, this one's not. I can just tell you right now.
It smells weird.
Wait, get it from above, like so that you can actually see. Oh, it smells like Lysol too, like window clean, straight window cleaner. So then we're gonna mix it around, I assume.
Yeah. I think this one is also a bust. No.
It's not even making satisfying noises.
You're supposed to crush these.
How are you?
That's supposed to be like the satisfying part about it.
But it's like. I don't think the phone's even getting that audio. I'm done with that one. Put it back in the cup. You disappointment. That was good. Okay. Oh, enough. Celsius drink?